Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video, we're going to checking out 5 best woodworking bandsaws you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools, performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation, most importantly, reviews of actual user. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best woodworking bandsaws in the market. So let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is WEN BA3959 Band Saw. The WEN 9-inch benchtop band saw attacks boards with cuts up to 3 and 1/2 inches deep and 9 inches wide. The 2.8-amp motor rotates the included 1 4-inch blade at up to 2,500 feet per minute. The design of this saw uses 59 and 1/2-inch blades anywhere from 1 of 8 to 3 of 8 inches in width for both intricate and powerful cuts. The spacious work table measures in at 12 and 1/4 by 11 and 7 of 8 inches in size and can be beveled up to 45 degrees. This package includes a miter gauge, an onboard 2 and 1/2-inch dust port, a fence for creating straight cuts, and an adjustable blade guard with ball bearing supports. Ball bearings give the blade smooth operation and a long-lasting life for years of dependable service. And because it's a WEN product, your WEN 9-inch benchtop band saw comes backed by a 2-year warranty, a stocked inventory of replacement parts, and a friendly customer phone line, all to make sure you remember WEN. For details, let's watch more. Our second best woodworking bandsaws is JET 14-inch Woodworking Bandsaw. The JET 14-inch sock steel frame bandsaw redefines the line between functionality and affordability. The large cast iron table features 360 square inch of work surface for greater workpiece support when making deep cuts. The machined aluminum fence system features easily visible measurements for the most accurate cutting. This saw is equipped with JET's easily adjustable blade guide system, makes adjustments quick and simple. The JET 14-inch band saw also features over 13 inches of resaw capacity and dual 4-inch dust ports for maximum dust collection efficiency. Heavy-duty tubular steel welded construction, robust stamped steel doors with welded steel pin hinges, and heavy-duty base allows for stability and durability when sawing large workpieces. The JET 14-inch C Fox band saw provides the woodworker all the premium features of a higher-end saw with superior performance to complete any project. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is SKIL benchtop bandsaw. The SKIL 2 8-amp 9-inch 2-speed benchtop bandsaw is an essential piece for the woodshop. The bandsaw's powerful 2.8-amp induction motor allows you to rip through a variety of wood materials, while its precision ball bearing and lower blade guides ensure consistent tracking for accurate cutting performance. Rack and pinion table adjustments allow for quick angle adjustments, and its 2-speed drive system features tool-free belt tensioning. Other features of this SKIL saw include a dust port that accepts standard 2-1/2-inch vacuum hoses to keep your work area dust-free and a miter gauge to guide the workpiece when making crosscuts. Bandsaw with 2,500 mpm blade speed and 1720R motor speed. You don't worry about cutting back and forth due to low power, and the cutting surface is neat. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is WEN BA3962 Band Saw. The WEN 10-inch 2 speed bandsaw is the perfect companion for any workshop. With a 3.5 amp motor and a 9.34-inch throat, this beast will attack boards with cuts up to 6 inches deep and 9 3/4 inches wide. 2-speed operation allows for speeds of either 1520 or 2620 fm. The design of this saw uses 72-inch blades, anywhere from 1 of 8 to 1/2 inches in size, for a variety of both intricate and powerful cuts. This package includes a flexible work light to illuminate the work table, a 3-in-1 dust port to fit a variety of dust extractor hoses 1 3/4, 2 3/4, 2 3/4, 4 inches, a fence for creating straight cuts, and a miter gauge for angled cuts. Ball bearings give the blade smooth operation and a long-lasting life for years of dependable service. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best woodworking bandsaws list is Delta Steel Frame Bandsaw. Delta manufactures quality woodworking machinery you can count on. From bandsaws to table saws, Delta has always considered the woodworker in our design and manufacturing of our equipment. It is the woodworker's demand for precision and quality that has driven us to be unparalleled manufacturers of the machinery you can depend on. You can expect our machinery to be passed down for many generations to come. 5 precision ball bearing upper and lower blade guides ensure consistent tracking for accurate cutting performance. The larger insert provides visibility for easily changing of the lower guide settings. 2 speed drive system featuring tool-less belt tensioning. Durable aluminum rubber-coated upper and lower 9-spoke wheels are precision balanced for superior blade tracking. 1 full horsepower single-phase motor takes on large stock. Heavy-duty steel frame design reduces flexing and features a superior finish with an aluminum trunnion table support for long-lasting durability.